primary cause of the ongoing conflict between North and South Korea is the division of Korea after World War II and the subsequent Korean War, 1950 to 1953. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Post-World War II division. After Japan's defeat in 1945, the Korean Peninsula, previously under Japanese colonial rule, was divided along the 38th parallel by the Allied powers. The Soviet Union administered the North, and the United States administered the South. This division was initially intended to be temporary for the purpose of disarming Japanese forces. Emergence of two separate states. As the Cold War intensified, the two zones developed distinct political ideologies and governments. In 1948, two separate states were officially established. The Democratic People's Republic of Korea, DPRK, in the north, a communist state backed by the Soviet Union, and the Republic of Korea, ROK, in the south, a capitalist state backed by the United States. Both governments claimed to be the sole legitimate government of the entire Korean peninsula. The Korean War, 1950 to 1953, tensions escalated, and on June 25, 1950, North Korea invaded South Korea with the aim of unifying the peninsula under communist rule. This sparked the Korean War, which involved international intervention, with the United Nations forces, primarily the US, supporting the South and China backing the North. Stalemate and armistice. The war ended in 1953 with an armistice, not a peace treaty. This left Korea divided along a new military demarcation line, very close to the original 38th parallel, and the two Koreas technically remain in a state of war. Ideological differences. The fundamental differences in political and economic systems between the communist North and the capitalist South continue to be a major source of conflict. North Korea's pursuit of nuclear weapons and its human rights record further exacerbate tensions. Unresolved issues. The core issues that led to the war, the division of the peninsula, and the question of which government is legitimate, remain unresolved. Both sides still officially aspire to eventual reunification, albeit under their own terms. In summary, the division of Korea after World War II, the Korean War triggered by North Korea's attempt to unify the peninsula by force, and the enduring ideological differences are the primary causes of the ongoing conflict between North and South Korea. The 1953 armistice halted the fighting, but did not resolve the underlying issues, leaving the peninsula in a state of frozen conflict.